San Francisco police now investigating this confrontation inside an Uber. The driver says he was attacked by a passenger after telling the group to get out of his car.
What you gonna do?
Police telling us it all started when the driver told one of the passengers to wear a mask. The driver says an argument began and he decided to end their Uber ride. Video that appears to be from one passenger's cell phone shows the group refusing to get out.
Bro, he was not letting us out on the middle of the freeway. He was not letting us out on the middle of the freeway.
Now, police are now investigating the incident as a robbery, but did not tell us if officers found the passengers. Now, that same passenger took to social media later with her side of the story.
All I did was take his mask off and cough a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, that was disrespectful as I'm dead wrong for that, but it could have been avoided.
Uber releasing a statement saying, quote, "The behavior seen in this video is appalling. The rider no longer has access to Uber." Meanwhile, rival company Lyft telling KPIX5 the unacceptable treatment of the driver in this video compelled us to permanently remove that rider from the Lyft community.